Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I would like to do an unboxing with you guys, a holiday unboxing with you guys. Happy holidays. Sorry if my voice sounds a little bit off. I have a cold, and so yeah, that might be my voice is not I'm not my regular self, but I just wanted to make this unboxing for you guys because it's just packaged really pretty, and I wanted to share with you guys the packaging with you guys. I stopped by Tiffany's and I purchased some things for myself for the holidays, for Christmas, because I've had a really good year. I didn't spend a lot. I saved a lot of my money, and I just got off, I paid off my car note, which is really big. So I'm really happy about that. Like, that was like my goal for this year, is to pay off that, and I did it. And so I've been really good this year with financial wise. I've been really good, and I hope to keep it up this upcoming year, and just saving up my money for the future. But yeah, like once in a while, maybe like on my birthday or on a holiday, I'll splurge and purchase something for myself. But yeah, last year I purchased the Louis Vuitton crochet handbag. This year I want more like jewelry. I already purchased this Tiffany Elsa Peretti Diamond by the Yard necklace, and I wanted to get something else from Tiffany's, and so I did, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. I went to the store and they put it in this huge Tiffany box. It's huge. And yeah, we're just gonna start off. For the holidays, they have, of course, the traditional white ribbon, but they also have like a pink, an orange, and like a neon green or yellow. But since I got 4 items, the sales associate there you know, thought it would be a good idea to like do like all 4 items in different colors. So for example, this one, this other one, and the big one. Let me get it out because it's pretty big and I don't want to drop it. And this bigger one. But yeah, all together it's like all of these. All of these, I think this is going to be like a good thumbnail. But yeah, like these are the ribbons for the holidays that Tiffany is currently using. And so yeah, starting off with the jewelry, which will be these 2. When I went to purchase this my Diamond by the Yard necklace, I saw these at the Tiffany store, and I really fell in love with it because I felt like but I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. So I'm assuming that these are the earrings. So yeah, look how cute. Orange. This is like a neon orange. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Oh my god, like I literally purchased this like like almost 3 weeks ago, but I just kept it here and decided to open it on Christmas Day. So this is Christmas for me. I don't know when exactly this video will be up. I try to edit it and put it up as soon as possible for you guys, but yeah, I've been waiting so long, but let's just go ahead. So there it says Tiffany on the box. There it says Tiffany on the box, and then let's open it. Da 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 da. Oh my god. There's the legendary little pouch. And so yeah, here are the earrings. These are the silver ball earrings, the hardware collection in the 10mm size, sterling silver. I decided to go with these because I feel like it's going to just complement all of my outfits, and it's so simple. And yeah, let me take these off and put the silver to see how it looks on me. I tried these earrings on the store and I really liked how it looked and how shiny the silver, like those silver balls are, and it just pops. And so yeah, I think this would, what I like about it is how simple yet bold it is. Like it can be worn every day, but it can also be worn to work. It can be worn to any occasion really. It's really like a classy piece. So there it is. Can we get closer? There's the silver. It's so pretty, like, yeah. I love them. But yeah, those were the earrings, the sterling silver ball earrings. And now let's go with the matching necklace. The matching necklace is gonna be here, so let's open it. It says Tiffany and Co. here, and let's see. And so that's how the necklace, it's not in a little pouch, it came in this like black thing. And let's see, it has this button and then it says Tiffany and Co. Oh my god. And that's the necklace. I'm really impressed on how they packaged the necklace. I thought they were going to put it like in a like little pouch where the earrings came, but they didn't. So I'm really impressed with this. But this is the necklace, and just it has the buttons here. And this is the sterling silver necklace. I think it's 16.25. That's the length. And it's the graduate, because they have 2 silver ball necklaces. They have one where all the silver balls are the same size, but this one, it has like a gradient effect, like a graduate. Yeah, like a gradient effect where it's big balls in the front, and then the little balls, it starts to get smaller as it goes to the back. So yeah, let's try it on and see how it looks. I'm gonna have a bit difficulty because my nails are long, so bear with me, you guys. So there it is. I put the necklace on. I didn't take the other one off, my diamond by the yard, but yeah, it looks really pretty and elegant. It goes very well with the earrings. But yeah, that is the matching set of sterling silver ball. I think it's called the hardware collection. These are the graduate ball necklace, sterling silver ball necklace, and this is the 10mm sterling silver earrings. And the necklace retails for $450, and the earrings retail for $175. I really love it. I feel like I'm going to get so many uses out of it. I can use this casually for every day. It would go with any outfit of mine. I feel like I can use it formally, like to work in a business office environment. It can be worn at a party, and like I just feel like it's so versatile, this piece, along with my diamond by the yard. But I feel like this set is so classic and pretty. I am really in love and happy that I was able to get this. But yeah, that's the set of jewelry that I picked up for myself. I also picked up this other one that we're going to unbox together, and I really love this pink. I love all the bows. I think it was a good idea for Tiffany's to do the color, you know, for the holidays. So this is the box. It says Tiffany in the middle. And this is what I got. The Tiffany Paper Cup in bone china. I really have been wanting these. I've been wanting these for a really long time now. And I decided to just go ahead and pick this up for the holidays. You know, it's a fun and quirky little gift to myself. It's heavy and it's thick, and it's really pretty and elegant. And the website is described to hold 10 ounces of liquid. And yeah, that's what I got for myself. And I also decided to go ahead and purchase it because these are going up in value. Like, they have gone up since they originally came out a couple of years ago. I think when they originally came out, they were like $95 for this set, and now when I purchased it, they currently retail for $100. So I'm assuming that the price, since it's Tiffany, is going to continue to go up. But I really love this, and I can't wait to use them. And yeah, just a little fun splurge for myself. And yeah. And last but definitely not least, I bought myself this one that's in the big box. So let's open it so we can see what I purchased. So it says Tiffany & Co. written across like so, and I purchased champagne glasses, a pair of champagne glasses. These champagne glasses. But yeah, I wanted to get some nice champagne glasses for myself for the new year. The new year is right around the corner. It's literally in a couple of days, and so I just wanted to celebrate with a little bit bougie, just a little bit. And I found these in the Tiffany website. The pair currently retails for $50 for these two champagne glasses. They have other pairs that are more expensive, so I decided to go with these because they're only $50. So I think that that's a good, reasonable price for champagne glasses. It's not too expensive and it's not the cheapest, but it's like, I would say like right in the middle. But yeah, I got these and I'm excited to use them. And yeah, it says Tiffany made in Slovenia crystal glass. So yeah, crystal glass made in Slovenia, Tiffany champagne glasses. So excited about those. And yeah guys, and yeah, that was everything that I picked up for the holidays from Tiffany's. And yeah, this year was the year of Tiffany. Last year it was Louis Vuitton, where I did a lot of Louis Vuitton purchases. This year I really got into Tiffany's. But yeah, really excited about my purchases and to start using them. And I hope everybody had a really happy holiday. Happy Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.